Dun dun, hey guys, welcome to the Smartphone Fan, and dun dun dun, here is the ViVo X Fold3 Pro. ViVo worked with sales to bring us this flagship foldable device for us, and also we can find they also worked with a Boa forum for Asia. ViVo X3 Pro, and this time we get a 16GB RAM plus 512GB ROM. Black edition, and this time they provide two colors, the white color and the black color. And today I'm going to have a very quick unboxing video about this flagship model and the third foldable device from ViVo. And yes, now we open it and we can find this smartphone is just in front of us in the first floor of the box, and under the first floor inside the box we can find the white color charger and the white color cable, and also with another black color package inside. And according to the official news, this time the new device compared to last generation, battery improved a lot, and also the charger this time is support 100-watt cable fast charging and 50-watt wireless charging with 5700 big battery inside. Flash charge, Type-C to Type-C cable. And compared to last generation and other competitors, and this time such a big battery because it's used the new technology inside the ViVo X Fold3, and the battery density reached to 780 Wh/L, and it's improved 50%. And creatively it's mixed the solid electrolyte with liquid electrolyte. So no matter in low temperature or high temperature, the battery is still able to provide the batteries and more durable. And also here is another and the other stuff inside the box. Here is the black card. It's a special gift card and the special exclusive right for the buyers, for the users. And we can get VIP service and special hotline, fast repair, ViVo Care, and standby smartphones to provide for the X Fold3 users, and also the SIM card ejector also included. It's very nice. Yes, looks pretty nice. SIM card pen. Let's get it, put it back, and also the quick start and safety information about this device. Yeah, it's a normal paper. Battery information inside on the menu, and so nothing special on this part. And also to provide a case. Yes, it's a leather case. It looks good, and also besides the back panel, also have a side, the left side cover on the case. Let's put the stuff in back. Okay. Later we will put it back. And next, let's go to the smartphone and we can talk about the device, ViVo X Fold3 Pro. And about the battery, mention if we charge from 0% to 100%, it takes around 30 minutes. So it's a super fast charging speed in this device. And yes, here is the ViVo X Fold3. It's a foldable device. You know, in the market, the foldable device is now the mainstream product compared to the other normal devices. And also the Vivo X2 is released almost 1 year ago, and so this is the new generation. I really expected to check it for a long time. Also this time they work with sales to provide this powerful camera phone. And if we fix it with the case, we find it's a very nice, beautiful earrings. And for this case, it's much better than the other devices I received. It's not just a transparent case and the plastic case. This is a leather material, the back panel, and the feelings just like the smartphone itself. And even we fold it, the case can also protect the left side, the hinge well. So this is a very nice case. I really like it. Also this time for devices use the Snapdragon 8 processor, and also they use the same camera system like the iQOO 12, another sub brand from the ViVo, and also this time the super lightweight. It's very nice. It's just 236 grams, super light and more slim than the last time. So here is the Vivo X Fold3 Pro, and first let's check the appearance. And it's inherited the circled camera zone, and also the hinge lines are more soft, and also the metal framework is also nice, comfortable. Though this time the hinge can stay at an angle you face compared to last generation. This is also improvement. And if we open it, we can find the top right corner is the inside front camera. And if we unfold it, the inside screen is 8.03 inch, and if we fold it, it's a 6.53 inch OLED screen, and both screens support ultrasonic on-the-screen fingerprint. Both inside and outside screens support 120Hz refresh rate and a TPO and high frequency PWM bright adjustment. It's go take both smooth and eye protect into consideration. And now we can check the basic specification about this device. And this time for the Vivo X Fold3 Pro, they use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor and support the LPDDR5X and UFS 4.0, 60GB RAM plus 512GB ROM. Also use the Vivo V3 chips, owned developed by the Vivo, Android 14 based original OS. And also for the original OS, it provides a lot of optimizations for the big screen using. If we fold it, we open an app and we fold it, it will automatically go to the split screen mode. And also it can auto recognize the screen content, and you can choose the small window or split screen. And also it supports a super jack between two applications. It's very convenient, and also here are the more convenient functions is provided. And also the original OS, they provide AI functions. It can make conclusion on the content you made, and also can create content for you, and also can record the WeChat and talking and video and playing, and transfer it to Texas. And here, and I take my last generation product to the Vivo X Fold 2 to compare it with the new Vivo X Fold 3, so it can be more easily for you to check it, the difference between these two devices. As I mentioned this time, if we fold it, we can find the mention about the Vivo X Fold 3 Pro is a bit slim and thin and light than the Vivo X Fold 2, and for the thickness is 11.2, but for the Vivo X Fold 3 is 12.9, and for the weight for the X Fold 3 is 236, but for the Vivo X2 is 279. So this is different. Also, if we unfold it, the thickness of the X Fold 3 Pro is 5.2, but for the X Fold 2 is 6.06. So it's much friendly than the ViVo X Fold 2. For the screen for the X Fold 2 is 0.3 Samsung E6, but for the X Fold 3 is Samsung E7. But for the screen size and the refresh rate and display resolution are almost same. But for the peak brightness, the ViVo X Fold 3 is 4500, but for the X Fold 2 is 1800. This is about the inside screen. And also about the camera, we can take a very simple test about the camera about the ViVo X Fold 3. And this time for the rear camera system is a 50 megapixel super VCS big sensor and 64 megapixel Zeiss box lens and 50 megapixel very wide angle camera. One is 32 megapixel AI super clean camera, dual camera. Yes, we can test the performance about the camera now. And also this time the ViVo X Fold 3 houses a nice engine, and also it can work together with the AI algorithm to provide better camera performance, and this can improve the details of the pictures. And this is the front camera. The main camera is the OV550H sensor. 1.2 inch is OIS supported, and also it's worked together with the ViVo developed VCS technology. Compared to last generation, the inlet of the brightness improved 80%, and the color original performance 20% improved. It's got more like the original colors. Yeah, here's the camera. Zoom performance 1, 2, 3, 5. Now this is about the video. Also check one by one the Pro mode and the Art mode. Some more. You can also have a Zeiss mode for you to choose. Landscape and architecture for Zeiss. Under micro movie. High resolution. I put the sample pictures at the end of the video, and also landscape mode. It also can should move like Huawei, and they use the AI algorithm to beautify it, to make it more, the pictures more beautiful. Food, and also can provide algorithm to make the food looks more beautiful. You want to share the pictures to your social media. Yes, so this is today's main content about the ViVo X Fold 3 Pro, the new flagship and foldable device. And also today we also compare it with the ViVo X Fold 2, the last generation. So we can find it's really improved a lot after 1 year, the new product. So okay, thanks for watching. Let's stay tuned, waiting for more cool gadgets from here. Foldable device is the future. It can stay, as I mentioned, it can stay at any angle. Bye bye.